Gold technical analysis, August 12th, commoditiesmansion.com. The gold markets ended up printing actually what is known as a reversal signal on Thursday, as we got what is known as a bearish engulfing candlestick, an outside candlestick. This means that the range was wider than the previous day before, and it is decidedly negative. This foretells a drop in the gold markets, at least from a technical analysis standpoint. But we do have a couple levels that we want to watch, 1650 being one and 1700 being another, for potential support. Truthfully, given the choice, we'd prefer 1650, as it represents a nice fall to some major support between 1600 and 1650 from which to buy. But of course, if we get our supportive candle, perhaps a hammer or something like that at 1700, then we may have to take that as well. Either way, we are completely flat of the market. Don't want to go long. Definitely don't want to go short, as the trend is well against you. This was in reaction to a margin increase in the gold markets, and that is one way that very effective way eventually that they can use to bring prices down in markets that are too hot. This was recently done in the silver market, but it took 7 times to knock silver down pretty much for good. And in reality, silver is extremely high still by historical standards. So even saying that, it will at best slow down the trend. It's a lot like a central bank intervention where it doesn't really work for the long term. It's more of a short term thing. So we expect that we could see some margin requirement raises soon in the gold markets again. And if that's the case, that'll knock the market down every time, as it makes people put up more capital to trade the contracts, therefore basically shrinking the volume contract wise, not necessarily dollar wise, of the commodity market. So we're simply just waiting for that pullback that looks like it's going to come now. And if so, we want to see it at a couple different levels that we're eyeing, and we'll place a trade based upon a supportive candle. Will not short it, just simply because the trend is too far against you.